Hello and welcome to the 11th edition of the Meyer Memos. Today is November 4th, 2022. Monday, November 7th, we have an instructional meeting with the district at 8 o'clock in the office conference room. That would be Nick and myself in the district. We have literacy classroom visits, or LCVs, taking place from 9 to 3 o'clock with Nick, myself, and Mandy Withers from the district. And then see the schedule in the email that sent this memo. Tuesday, November 8th, we have a staff meeting at 8 a.m. in the Media Center. The agenda is as follows. Leanne and Jackie will be talking about health training. I'm going to do a little overview of MTS overview, and then we're going to just talk quickly about the bulletin. And then we have student council elections from 9:30 to 10:30, and the schedule is located later in the slide in the bulletin. Wednesday, November 9th, we have no ISST meeting. We have a swim meeting at 11 that's virtual. We have a technology connection meeting with Rebecca, myself, and the district from 2 to 3 in the office conference room. Thursday, November 10th, I have a principals meeting from 8 to 12 in person. Friday, November 11th, we have a BLT meeting at 8 in office conference room. And then we have student council meeting, the first one for the year, in Kids Safari Room at 2:30 for grades 2, 3 through 5 reps. Election day schedule. Mrs. Coley will come down to the lunchroom at 9:30, Hendrickson 35, Suzuki at 40, 9:45 Durava, 9:50 Myers, 9:55 Schmidt, 10 o'clock Johnson, 10:05 Heck, 10:10 Verstrady, 10:15 Smith, 10:20 Dixon, 10:25 Lau, and 10:30 Hobbs. Marking students absent. Please be careful when you mark the students absent from your class. This is for classroom teachers. I know some students do this for the teacher, but the teacher should look it over. It's frightening for families when they receive a robocall that their child is missing. What ends up happening is Melissa goes and does the research to find out the child is here and then has to apologize to families. So please be diligent and make sure that you mark students correctly if they're absent or not. Thank you. Preschool in Bloomington. K-3 teachers and elementary staff, they're having a feedback session to provide input that the district will consider options to improve our early education and preschool programming. We wanted to align the transition between level grades and address financial and or staffing challenges. People that show up will be compensated for it. It's Monday, November 7th from 3:30 to 4:30 at the Oak Grove Elementary Media Center. Reading classroom visits, or LCVs. We're going to be focusing on small group. I have attached the criteria for small group. We're going to walk through and look at everything, the number of books that you have and whatnot, and learning targets posted. But our main focus is going to be on the criteria for small group, and so I sent that to you. It's used to improve district PD, and it's going to help enhance teaching reading at Ole. And then we'll review the data for math and this reading data on the BLT on Friday. Reading roars. Please remember to select students each month, and the document is in the email. So remember to do that. If you're not sure on what to do, ask a teammate or come see me to fill you in. But thank you, Nick, for setting that up for us. And then again, My Sabres survey. It's an SEL screener required by the districts. Some people have done it already, but we need to get this finished by November 11th. Students in grades 2 through 5. And then we sent explanation to the families last Friday. Well, that's it. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.